fan cycle switch on a little tiny Manitowoc. I'll bring you guys along for the ride. I got a new pinch-off tool. You guys know in the past I've had terrible luck with pinch-off tools. Let's see if I can get it today. We'll see how it goes. Oh, give it to me, baby! Bad fan cycle switch. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to take these apart. They did a really good job on that. All right, take your little front cover off, 2 screws. These ones here, you just take the bottom one. You just take this bottom one off, 5/16. The top one you're going to leave in, and it just slides down. Just loosen that one up, and that slides down right there. See it was up like that. That just slides down. Same on this side. And then there's 2 in the back we're going to move. Get that down. Man, you gotta take your drain off right here. We're gonna take the drain. Is the only other thing you gotta take off is this drain. Pull that down here and just sit. If I get my finger in there. Get your drain down. And then inside here, your electrical connection is the keypad. Wire connects right here. You gotta get that off. Which is this pin connector right here. I'll show you. One little button to depress right there, and that comes out. And then you can get this. See, they left it halfway cut for you so you can slide that out. Just like that. Now back here, these are Phillips screws. Loosen those up. You don't take them all the way out. Just loosen those up and then turn this. And there's one on each side. So you get your little stub vector. Oh yeah, my bad. You do got to take that screw out because this has a rivet on the top. So that little screw comes out. You can spin that out of the way. And then same on this side. So those will be up like that. Now this whole lid will come right off. And I'll show you that here real quick. There's my other glove if I was wearing gloves today. Let's go ahead and pull this back. And this will come right out like that. That's the lid there. Now this whole bin and everything will just slide right forward. See if I get better perspective on the camera for you guys. It just slides forward and out and off. Just like that. And there's everything you need to get to work on. Also, if you're going to clean the condenser on these, you have to take this you have to take the bin off also. And there's the condenser right there. It's on the inside there. So if you're going to clean the condenser, you could do it that way, or I guess you could take off the condenser fan motor. Do it that way, but this is the little guy we're going to work on today right here. The 2 purple leads are a fan cycle switch, and that's what's failed. The machine's already unplugged, and then that's going to come out there. We're going to move this. Move this little divider out of the way. It's a little air baffle for the condenser. moving that out of the way just so I can get the pinch off tool on there a little better. So it'll just come right off. We'll set it over here. There's our little friend right here. Using the yellow jacket pinch off tool. Got it pinched off. Got the old one off of there. I just went ahead and whacked it and then made it round. We'll fit the new one on there and then solder it on. That's what they want you to do, so see if it works out. Alright, in my box I got my tags. This part. There's the new one right there. Save this box to send it back for warranty. I got all my warranty paperwork. It's in here. And we'll get this we'll get that all filled out and send in there. Star of the show right here. Bring. Alright, got it all fitted up. Now I gotta braze it in. Put either a wet rag around the top of that or some of that, you know, the gel, the cooling block stuff. Okay, I'm using this one, thermal block 2. Get her all gooed up. And bury the hermit right there. All ready to braze her up. Yeah. Cycling switch is working. We're on pre-chill. It's a little chilly outside. There's our fan cycling switch cycling. We'll watch it come back up. Kick on. Goes. Okay. Now we're just waiting for the water pump to kick on from our pre-chill, and then we'll be in the freeze mode for making ice. There's the water pump. Got a load. There goes fan cycling. We'll let this paper patch, and I'll get cracking on some paperwork here. And I was using today the yellow jacket. It seemed to work good. I picked that one up for doing the R290 work. So far, so good. Put it back together. It's real simple. Get the lid on top. You'll see these openings. We'll match these slots on the top. So you want to get it in there. Those match up. And then your little riveters will slide back around to get the screws in. And that's going to hold the top on. See that? And we'll get the screws in there. And then it's just the drain, the connector for the strip, power strip, or the push buttons, and then about 5/16 on there, and then the front cover, and that's it.
I just, for some reason, it doesn't make any sense to me.
Me neither.
To use a gas that's flammable.